Hi Techies, welcome to the Tecky Summer Camp 2024, where tech meets innovation. At Tecky Summer Camp, we are not just about fun and games. We are about empowering the next generation of innovators in exciting worlds of drone technology. Our students dive deep into the 3D design and printing, mastering the tools that will shape the future. From conceptualizing ideas to bring them into the life with all the endless possibilities. Ever wonder how drones work? Our students not only learn about the principles of flight, but also gets hands-on experience assembling and testing of mini 3D printed drones. From mastering multi-rotors to understanding the wireless communication, our students become the experts in every aspect of drone technology. They dive into the batteries, motors, and interactive parts and propellers that makes the drones soar through the sky. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Our students put their skills to the ultimate test in thrilling drones flying competition, where creativity and innovation takes flight. So if you are ready to 3D print your own drone, let's join us at Tecky Summer Camp 2024. Teckybot, where future meets innovation.